Hello everyone, welcome to Mayank Laholic. In this video, we will discuss case laws related multiple choice questions of Transfer of Property Act. So let's get started. The Privy Council decision in Tilakdhari Lal versus Khedan Lal relates to answer is section 3 of Transfer of Property Act, which reference to the TPA Ram Baran versus Ram Mohit AIR 1967 SC 747 is case for. The answer is rule against perpetuity. Muhammad Afzal versus Ghulam Qasim 1903 ILR is a leading case on which of the following? Correct answer is doctrine of election. In which one of the following cases it was held that surrender by tenant is not a transfer? Correct answer is Makhan Lal Sahu versus NN Adhikari. Principle laid down by the Privy Council as to constructive notice of the real title as provided in section 41 was reaffirmed by the Supreme Court in C. Jamuna Masjid Mirakka versus Kodi Manindra Devia. The case of Jaya Dayal Poddar versus Bibi Hazara is related to ostensible honor. Which of the following is a case involving section 41 of the Transfer of Property Act? Correct answer is A. Suraj Ratan Tihari versus Azmabad Tea Company. Bellamy versus Sabine case is related with which doctrine? Correct answer is lis pendens. The doctrine of lis pendens is explained in famous case of Bellamy versus Sabine. Which of the following is a leading case on the doctrine of part performance? Correct answer is C. Mohammad Musa versus Ashok Kumar Ganguly. Prabodh Kumar Das versus Dantmara Tea Company case is related with which of the following doctrine? Correct answer is doctrine of part performance. A leading case on restriction repugnant to interstate is created is correct answer is Tulk versus Moxhay. Where a person transfers property representing that he has a present interest herein, whereas he has in fact only a spes successionis, the transferee is entitled to the benefit of section 43 if he has taken the transfer on the faith of that representation and for consideration as section 43 and section 6 clause A operate on a different fields. This principle was laid down in correct answer is C. Jamuna Masjid Mirakka versus Kodi Manindra Devia. In which of the following case it was held the partition is not a transfer of property? Correct answer is A. V.N. Sareen versus Ajit Kumar AIR 1986. This question has been asked in UPPCSJ twice. Which one of the following cases does not pertain the doctrine of part performance? Correct answer is Ram Baran Prasad versus Ram Mohit Hazara. The case of RF versus Jadunath is related to which of the following? Correct answer is part performance. Cooper versus Cooper 1874 relates to doctrine of election. The principle of section 17 of the Transfer of Property Act is based on which of the following cases? Correct answer is C. Thiluson versus Woodford. Rule against double possibilities was recognized in which of the following cases? Correct answer is Vidhi versus Michel. Ram Kumar Kundu versus McQueen 1872 is related to correct answer is ostensible honor. Doctrine of Clogg on the equity of redemption is a rule of justice, equity and good conscience. This was affirmed by the Supreme Court in Murari Lal versus Devkaran, in which case Supreme Court has held that the mortgage was valid even though no part of mortgage monies has been advanced. Correct answer is B. State of Kerala versus Cochin Refineries AIR 1968 SC. The following leading cases are related to which of the following subjects? A. Gopalan versus Parashuttam. B. Stanley versus Wild. C. Kedar Lal versus Hari Lal. D. Ali Hussain versus Nilakanden. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is mortgage. The principle once a mortgage, always a mortgage, a principle based on equity, justice and good conscience was for first time evolved in correct answer is B. Noakes versus Rice. Which of the following cases is related to the right of redemption? Correct answer is Stanley versus Wild, Noakes versus Rice, Krillinger versus New Patagonia Meat and Cold Storage Company Limited. So all the above, correct answer is D. All the above cases are related to right of redemption. If the sale and agreement to repurchase are embodied in a separate documents, then the transactions cannot be mortgaged. This was laid down in correct answer is A. Chunchun Jha versus Sheikh Ibadat Ali. Bharat Nidhi Limited versus Tathkamal AIR 1969 Supreme Court is related to A. Actionable claim section 130. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held the doctrine of Clogg on the equity of redemption is a rule of justice, equality and good conscience? Correct answer is B. Murali Lal versus Devi Karan. Which of the following case decided by the Privy Council relates to fraudulent transfer? Correct answer is Mushahar Sahu versus Hakim Lal. The rule of Daniels versus Davison 1809 has been given a statutory shape in the Transfer of Property Act 1882 under which of the following titles? Correct answer is A. Registration as constructive notice. Match list 1 and list 2. List 1, Musahar Sahu versus Lal Hakim Lal. B. Madison versus Alderson. C. Ram Kumar versus McQueen. And D. M.S. Dhanpati versus Devi Prasad. Sir Lal Sahu versus Lal Hakim Lal, fraudulent transfer. And B. Madison versus Alderson, correct answer is part performance. And for C. Ram Kumar versus McQueen, this we have already discussed, transfer by ostensible owner. Dhanpati versus Devi Prasad, here the correct answer is doctrine of election. So these were all the MCQs, multiple choice questions of TPA, which were related to case laws. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Please help us by subscribing and sharing this content with others. Thank you so much.